Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving to the Norman Manley International Airport, and we're in the Harbour View area now, so we're going to drive down to the airport. Okay, I want you guys to look at something. On the left is a Total gas station. This is not something you see every day in Jamaica. Okay, there you go. That's a Total gas station here on the left. You can see the new logo, everything. Now, less than 10 seconds drive away, you have another Total gas station. There it is on the left. It's two different gas stations. A plaza separates them. That's not something you see every day. So you're going to ask the question, why do we have two Total gas stations so close to each other? I don't know if anybody knows. So if you can leave if anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. I just find it very curious. I mean, I can't imagine. It must have been a mistake. I can't imagine Total giving a license, or I'm not sure if they give out license, but I just can't imagine two gas stations with the same name being so close to each other. Okay, we just went around the Harbour View roundabout and we turned onto Palisades Strip. Now, this is a very unique strip of land. On the left, you have the Caribbean Sea. On the right, you have the Kingston Harbour. And it literally is like a peninsula, I think that's the name. And this is it. Where you see the rocks, this is a strip of land, and it takes you to the Norman Manley International Airport, which is the only international airport in Kingston. And this airport serves in the eastern part of the country, Kingston, St. Andrews, Spanish Town. The next closest international airport is Montego Bay if you're going on the south coast, and Ian Fleming International Airport on the north coast. But the airport on the north coast isn't that popular. It doesn't have a lot of flights. So okay, on the right you can see the Kingston Harbour. On the left you can see the Caribbean Sea. And on the right, the Kingston Harbour is the seventh largest natural harbour in the world. So this is a very important strip of land. And it also takes you to Port Royal, which is a very historic place in Jamaica. Now on the left, those stones act as a barrier or a reef, I don't know. So whenever there are high winds or there are a lot of waves, though, okay, let's say a hurricane was coming and the winds pick up, so you have a lot of the ocean would flood over onto the road. And you cannot block this road because of its importance with the airport. So the government put in these stones to form like a barrier to prevent the road from being flooded. Now they put mesh wire around the stones to keep them together, but persons stole the mesh wire, or I shouldn't say stole, persons removed the mesh wire. But so far, since these stones have been put into place, this road has not flooded, so it's working. And on the right is a natural harbour. There is a boardwalk. Natural harbour means the water in this harbour will never rise. So you don't have to worry about the water on the right flooding the road. So that's why you have the stones only on the left. And the government put in a boardwalk. This is the same boardwalk that they put in over on Port Royal Street. This was the original concept, and it worked very well. This is a very popular area. People walk on it, go fishing, jog. It worked well. And as you can see, it's a very nice boardwalk. Also on the left, you can't see it here because the stones block it, but it's like a beach at certain points. So people always go over there. I don't think they swim because of the area. Okay, there's a bad driver trying to pass, and there was oncoming traffic, so we just moved out of the way because I'm just assuming they're in a hurry to catch a flight. Okay, at certain points on the left you have like a beach where people go and jog and thing, but it's not very popular for swimming because I think the currents are very strong, and I don't think people swim in the harbor because of the, I would say, the pollution. I've never seen people really swimming in there. It's not a beach. Okay. Now on the right, straight ahead, they have the Caribbean Maritime Institute. Okay, why do people drive so bad on this road? And he overtook this line of traffic, and there is a police bike right on the right. He literally, if he didn't come over into our lane, he would have hit the policeman. Unbelievable. Alright, you can see people park up out here, probably doing some fishing. Yes, that's what they're doing. On the right, in the Kingston Harbor, doing some fishing. On the left, that's the beach part where you can walk on the sand and run up and down, jog. Okay, oh my God, look at these drivers. No, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous. On the right, further down, you can see some structures. That's the Caribbean Maritime Institute. That's where they train persons to drive the ships, pilot the ships, and it's a university, Caribbean Maritime Institute. I'm not sure if the name was changed to university, but it's a very popular location, a very popular school. Okay, Caribbean Maritime University, yes, it was changed. And on the right, that's where you drive to enter it. Okay, now coming up to the roundabout, you can see that very famous structure. It's the tail of the plane, and that was most famous for having the Air Jamaica logo on it. But Air Jamaica was the national airline of Jamaica, but it stopped flying, and now they've painted it over and have the name of the airport on it. So, but before that tail was had the Air Jamaica logo on it. Okay, so now if we go straight, we go into Port Royal, but we're going to go right and head into the airport. Okay, on the right, I'm not sure if you can see, the trees might be blocking it, but they have some solar panels, and that's new. I guess they're setting up a solar energy plant or something out here, but a lot of solar panels. I've never seen so many solar panels in one place in Jamaica before. I'm going to find out exactly what's going on, because that's a good project. I like that. Anything I can lower the electricity costs in Jamaica. Those are a lot of solar panels. Okay, on the left is the airport. Now this section of the airport is where they park those smaller planes, and you can see a few small jets over there. Oh, this is a big solar plant. Okay. Alright, so we're now in the airport. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.